If you forgot your OneDrive password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover it step by step using Microsoft's official password reset process. This is the safest and easiest way to get back into your Microsoft, Outlook, or OneDrive account without guessing passwords or risking your account security. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Password Reset. You can do this by visiting the official Microsoft Password Reset page in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Reset Password and select it. This is the starting point for recovering access to your account. After that, click Next to continue. Microsoft will now ask you to enter the email address connected to your Microsoft, Outlook, or OneDrive account. Make sure you type it carefully because entering the wrong email will take you to the wrong recovery path. Once you've entered the email, click Next again. At this stage, Microsoft may show a Captcha to confirm you're a real person. If you see one, complete it as shown on the screen, then continue. This is a normal security step and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, Microsoft will check your account security settings and decide how to verify your identity. Depending on how your account is set up, you may be asked to verify using a recovery email address, a phone number, or an Authenticator app. Choose the method that you still have access to and follow the prompts carefully. If Microsoft sends you a verification code, open the email, message, or Authenticator app where the code was delivered. Enter that code into the verification box on the reset page. Make sure you type it exactly as shown because an incorrect code will not work. Once the code is entered, click Next to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the password reset screen. This is where you create a brand new password for your Microsoft account. Enter a strong new password that you have not used before. For better security, use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then confirm the new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. After that, click Save or Next, depending on what appears on your screen. Microsoft will process the change, and once it's complete, your OneDrive password will be reset successfully. From that point on, you can sign in with your new password across OneDrive, Outlook, Microsoft 365, and any other Microsoft services linked to the same account. If you still can't recover access, double check that you're using the correct recovery method and that your email or phone number is up to date. If your verification code doesn't arrive, wait a few moments and try again, or check your spam folder, message settings, or Authenticator app notifications. In some cases, Microsoft may also ask for additional verification if your account has unusual activity. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover your OneDrive password using Microsoft's official reset process. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.